Myself, Arvind Kumar Dubey, teacher of English in Government Girls High Secondary School, Nagaon, Chhatarpur, MP. Today, I am going to teach you article. Article is of two kinds: indefinite article a, n, and definite article the, the. The is used with pronunciation. The is used before consonants. For example, the boy. The pronunciation the is used before vowel. For example, the Indian. So see on board indefinite article. Indefinite article a, n. Today I will teach you usage of a. Usage of a. Rule number 1. Word begins with consonant and initial pronunciation or initial sound of the word is of consonant. Indefinite article a is used before singular countable noun. इन हिंदी शब्द जो व्यंजन से शुरू होते हैं और उनका शुरू का उच्चारण भी व्यंजन जैसा होता है, उनके पहले हम ए का प्रयोग करते हैं, परंतु वह एक वचन हो जिसको हम गिन सकते हैं. सी ऑन टेबल. सीरियल नंबर, वर्ड, इनिशियल प्रोनाउंसिएशन, इनिशियल साउंड, शुरू का उच्चारण या प्रोनाउंसिएशन. PRONUNCIATION. प्रॉपर आर्टिकल. प्रॉपर article. This is table. Y. C, B. Initial pronunciation B-O-I. Y. See here B. Consonant. Consonant. In Hindi, ba. And Y is singular. That's why A, boy. Before boy, A is used. Second example, cat. Cat. C is consonant. Cat. C, K. Cat. Ka. Cat. Ka. So here C is consonant, K is consonant. In Hindi, Ka is consonant. A. Cat. Cat. A. A means one also. Fish. F-I-S-H. C. F. F-I-S-H. Fish. Fa. F is consonant. In Hindi, Fa is also consonant of fish. Fourth, girl. Girl. G. In Hindi, ga, ha, girl. So see here, our face, F is consonant, G is consonant, and initial sound of the word is also consonant. Rule number 2. Although word begins with vowel A, E, I, O, U, yet initial sound of the word is of consonant. That's why indefinite article A is used before singular countable noun. In Hindi, शब्द भले ही स्वर ए ई आई ओ यू से शुरू हो, पर यदि शुरू का उच्चारण व्यंजन जैसा हो तो प्रारंभिक उच्चारण के आधार पर ए का प्रयोग करते हैं, परंतु वह एक वचन हो. on table. Rule number 1. University. University. See here U. YOU. Proper. BBC, ब्रिटिश ब्रॉडकास्टिंग कॉरपोरेशन 1927 से बिगिन हुआ. और यूनिवर्सिटी यूटेंसिल यूरिया यूनिफॉर्म यूरोपियन ₹1 note. 1 2 3 4 5 6. University. Initial pronunciation university. Zero. Here utensil. Zero. Here urea. Zero. Here uniform. Zero. European. European. And 1 W. So see, word begins with vowel. Yet initial sound of the word is of consonant. That's why A is used. A. University. A. Utensil. A. Urea. A. Uniform. A. European. A. 1 rupee note. Next, some words begins with how or what, but they express exclamation. Indefinite article A/N is used. What a good film. With such indefinite article A/N is used. He has used such a bad word. With abbreviation A/N is used. He is a BA. With profession indefinite article A/N is used. He is a teacher. For one, A is used. In this way, today I have taught you usage of A. See you tomorrow. Thanks.